Butter, salt, steam still rising. June 11 is the one food holiday that requires its own handles. National Corn on the Cob Day on June 11 celebrates America's most hands-on vegetable eaten directly off the cob since indigenous peoples cultivated maize across the Americas for thousands of years before European contact. According to etiquette experts, the proper way to eat it is moving side to side like a typewriter, buttering only a few rows at a time. Sweet corn was developed through centuries of selective breeding and now comes in hundreds of varieties. The window of peak sweetness is genuinely short. Sugars begin converting to starch within hours of harvest. Adjacent on the June food calendar, National Herbs and Spices Day is June 10, National Meal Prep Day is June 9, and International Falafel Day follows June 12. A week that takes vegetables seriously. Grill it, boil it, roast it whole, and visit nationaltoday.com for recipes. What's your go-to corn preparation?